So my name is Eli. I'm the Director of Communications for Insta360. We've just launched our new flagship. It's the Insta360 ONE R, and we call it an adaptive action camera. It's using a modular setup to combine the advantages of a 360 system with also a traditional single lens action camera. We're really using the full advantage of that unlimited field of view to get a kind of stabilization that you'd only expect from a gimbal, but it's something that you don't need any extra gear. And for those kind of uses, we wanted to make it as easy as possible for people to switch on the fly. So here I have the dual lens 360 mod. Just as easily, I can pop this in, pop on the battery base. So just like that, you can turn it into a dual lens 360 camera. This one shoots 5.7K 30 FPS, and you have a real-time preview screen. We're stitching on the fly. We're stitching at a lower resolution right on board the camera so that you can see every direction and plan your shot. You have the better stabilization, the ability to shoot every direction and choose the best shots after the fact. And you also have the ability to pair it with a selfie stick so that you can get those cool aerial angles that the selfie stick opens up. We want to keep the entire workflow manageable on mobile. So we have a really smooth and easy to use app. And at this point, with the current phone technology, once you get past around 6K, it becomes a lot harder to work with. So we're keeping the resolution at a manageable level, but what we're doing is we're playing with all of the other ways that we can up the quality within those limits. We've worked on our image processing technology. We're encoding at H.265 now on this camera. So if you compare this to any other camera on the market or our past generations, you're going to see a huge difference. We also have some automatic color grading algorithms that we're applying to this. And the really cool thing that we're doing for the first time for this 360 mod is we have a new technology called auto frame, which will do an analysis of your 360 video in every direction. We're using a computer vision algorithm, and it will pick out points of interest, whether it's people, whether it's a landmark, whether you're with your dog. It'll find points of interest automatically, and then it will give you a pre-edited shot that you could use. So if I just wanted to, if I'm with my dog, if I'm walking with my dog and I know that that's what I want to shoot, I can extremely easily, as soon as I get my footage off the camera, I can pull that from the app, and then I have a ready-to-share shot. That's sort of like you have just a cameraman on demand. I can say that's what I want to follow, and then it'll give me a shot that's only following that subject. So we focus a lot on making the mobile workflow really easy. If you want to do your entire edit on our app, you can do that. But we also have Insta360 Studio. That's our desktop app, and I mean, a lot of prosumers, a lot of vloggers, they prefer that workflow, so you can process all your footage there. We have flow state stabilization that you can apply with Studio as well, and then you can either finish your edit in Studio, or if you want, you can export it as MP4 and then pull it into any software that you want to use. There's one more really important piece to this whole system. This is something that we just announced today. We've partnered with Leica on one of the lenses for this camera. This is a 5.3K 1-inch sensor. So this is the highest quality available on any consumer action camera, and the results you get from this are amazing. The low light's awesome. We still have flow state stabilization applied on this one, so you can really use it for action sports, and you just get a level of quality, you get a color accuracy that's not available on any other camera of this size. So it's amazing for vloggers, it's amazing for travelers, and it's amazing for guys who just want to get the best possible footage on a camera that you can take anywhere. Insta360 ONE R is available today. You can find it at insta360.com, and you can find us on all the major social channels, Instagram, Twitter at Insta360. Check us out on YouTube as well, and make sure you follow Hannah, who teaches you about all the latest techniques with 360 cameras on our YouTube channel.